right, now we are all set to write our first Node program. So I'll quickly make a folder and go into that folder with cd first underscore app. And now I'll open this in VS Code using code period. VS Code is my preferred code editor, but you may use any other code editor available in the market. I'll quickly make a file app.js, and now I'll write a function using the arrow function const. I'll name this say hello. This will take an argument first name, and I'll just write console log hello, and I'll pass the argument first name. That's my first Node program, and I'll just call this program by writing say hello. I'll pass the parameter as my name, Shiva. Now back to the terminal. I'll execute this code using Node and write the name of the file app.js. As you can see, it worked fine. Hello Shiva. Now let me show you something else. I'll comment this out and console log window. Back to the terminal. Now run node app.js again. As you can see, we got an error. This window is not defined. So Node, as I told you before, is a C++ program. It includes Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. So this app.js file we passed to Node, Node gave it to V8 for execution. Now back to our error, window is not defined. As I told you before, in Node we don't have the window or document objects. These are part of the runtime environment that we get with browsers. In Node, we have other objects to work, like with files, with the operating system, with the network, and so on. And that's what you are going to learn about in the next section. I hope you enjoyed this section, and thank you for watching.